even though I actually don't.
This is you're not gonna do that.
I'd like to take it anally instead.
Jesus
No.
Christ.
Sink! Sink, you piece of shit! There we go.
Me staring at the Titanic.
Alright, I'll give you that.
What just happened?
Oh
my God. That was terrible.
Holy shit! Oh
You
my
broke
god!
Memer. Holy shit.
Oh
What's
my
up?
god! Wow!
Alright.
Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh.
I'm not even drunk.
Holy
For this shit.
Jesus! Good lord!